Hello and welcome back to another nail video, and today we have some beautiful gel polishes from Madam Glam that I will be reviewing in today's video. So special thank you to Madam Glam for sending over these gel polishes for me to try. And Madam Glam is a vegan-free, cruelty-free gel polish brand, and it's also 21 free, which means it's free from 21 of the most toxic chemicals found in gel polishes. And so the first color is Shadows, very unique name. And this color is a dark purple. I love it. It's so pretty. As you know, purple is one of my favorite colors, and I like any kind of purple, light, dark. So I'm so excited to add this color to my collection. And of course, this gel polish is so rich and creamy. I love it. I could possibly only do one coat and still be fine, but I'm definitely gonna do 2 coats. Next, we have Love Out Loud, and it is this beautiful bright red color, perfect for the Christmas season. I know everybody wants to do their holiday sets, and this will definitely be a cute Christmas color to add to any collection. Next, we have the Moon House, and it is from their tortoise shell collection, and it is this beautiful glitter gel polish. And one thing I love about this color is that it has a mixture of thick and chunky glitters, and it adds a little depth to the nail polish, and it's really pretty. I'll definitely be using this color more in the future. Next, we have Magical Times. What a unique name. I love it. And it is this dark gray color. And again, you definitely can get away with 1 coat of this color because this polish is so rich and creamy. And this color can pair well with lights or dark colors. So I think it is a hidden gem and just great to add to your collection. Moving right along, we have Fairy Dust, and it's definitely one of my favorites out of these colored gel polish. It's a thick, creamy glitter polish. It has like a milky white base with a bunch of different chunks of glitter, and it's iridescent, and it's just really beautiful and elegant looking. I definitely love this color. 1 coat is enough, but you can do 2 coats to kind of enhance the glitter. The Sorceress, such a different and unique name, and this is like a copper orange color, perfect burnt orange tone for like the fall season. So nice and so pretty, and definitely it'll pair well with a lot of beiges or even light green colors. Next, we have Nova, and originally I thought this color was a light green, but to my surprise, it is this beautiful kind of off-white cream color. It kind of reminds me of an eggshell color or even vanilla. It's so pretty. I think it's a really cute base for any set of nails. So this is definitely a good color to add to your collection. And last but not least, we have Vibrancy, which is this a light green color, kind of like a nature green or even a sage green color, and it is so pretty. And these are how the colors turned out after 2 coats. So cute. Today I will be doing my left hand using these beautiful colors from Madam Glam. And I start by applying a very thin layer of the Madam Glam base coat to each nail. And after those nails have cured for 30 seconds, I start with the color Nova. Again, this is a beautiful off-white, kind of vanilla, maybe even I would consider it to be an ivory color. And I am just going to apply a thin coat of that color to my first finger and my middle finger. And I must say, I love this nail brush. It's very flexible, which makes it so easy to get into these tight corners by the cuticle area. Next, I'm using the Sorceress on my ring finger, and as you see, this gel polish is gliding on so quick and easy. And last but not least, I am using the color Vibrancy on my pinky finger as well as my thumb. And I'm so glad I decided to use this color. I think it pairs so well with the other color, the Sorcery, as well as Nova. It's definitely giving fall vibes, but I am okay with it. I love this color scheme. And of course, after I have cured those nails for 30 seconds, I'm just going to go back in and apply another thin layer to each nail. And I decided to go with a simple design since these colors are already so beautiful on their own. So I'm just going back in with the color Vibrancy, and I'm just going to create a small design on the edge of the nail for my first finger, just like so. And I just repeat that same design for my middle finger using the sorcerers. And this is just going to help tie those colors together to make it a cohesive set. So cute. Moving right along, I'm just drawing a diagonal line to kind of mimic the design that's on the corner of the nail. It's a very quick, a simple, and easy design, and the nails turn out so elegant and classy. Then I use my dotting tool to create these circles down the open space in the nail. Again, I wanted this design to be simple, quick, and easy, and something you could do at home on your own. And last but not least, I am using the Madam Glam top coat to get these nails all nice and shiny. And so I apply a very thin layer of the top coat to each nail. And once again, I want to send a special thank you to Madam Glam for sending over these beautiful gel polishes for me to try. I loved every single color. And if you are interested in trying some of these polishes on your own, I do have a coupon code, Easy Nails 35, that can save you 35% off your entire purchase. Again, the coupon code is Easy Nails 35, and that can save you 35% off Madam Glam's website, which will be linked in my description box down below. And these are how the nails turned out. I love them. They look so cute and so sophisticated. Perfect colors. They match so well together. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next nail video.